Why don't you play the game? Don't mind that. I'm doing fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about that. It's fine. Welcome to yet another coding stream. That's right. I'm coding, baby. Again. You can't stop me. You can't stop me from coding. I'll always be here. But yeah, we're coding today. We are coding, not anything. We are coding a Minecraft event, and we are coding. Not the video. We're coding for WubDub. We are, in fact, coding for WubDub, as you can see. This is the test server, kind of where everything happens. This is test/actual server. You might see some stuff. I'm gonna try not to leak much. We are not recording a Hollow Knight playthrough. This is not true. Don't believe that. Coding Minecraft event for WubDub. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, we have a bunch of things here, and so what I've done is so we have this team menu where you can choose where everybody goes. You can see here I can change team and team and stuff, which is really cool. And then if I do /voting, it puts me here, as you can see. You can't see much here on this screen because you can't really see much. I'm glowing, that's just because of me. Oh, it's not broken or anything. And if I go in blue, I have this blue chest plate, as you can see here. But then I'm actually going to modify the code itself. What is it? Actually, not here. I should open a new window. There you go. What is it? What's voting here? There you go. And now here, this is the high thing here, which I can remove. Do I even use that? I feel like I don't use that anymore. Oh, I do. Okay, well. Yes, I can see this. There's the voting here. The time was set to like a minute, like 30 seconds. That's set to a minute, and then it goes down. And then obviously, you'll see what is the sort of like split platform. So yeah, I can't really change the time. So it is when voting. It has 12 seconds left, as you can see. Okay. So let me reload voting. And we'll go back here. I'm gonna clear my inventory. So if I vote again, as you can see, there's now something above me. Little text display above me, which I didn't see earlier, but it was always there. I just can't see it myself. And if I go into a game, on top of having a chest plate, above me it says the game I voted for. This feature isn't requested. I just added it because I thought it'd be fun. I don't know if Wub actually wants it or not. But I just added it because why not? And so the thing is that, as you can see here, if I hurry up, there you go. If I'm still in the voting area when the time is up, I'm getting teleported back into, I'm getting teleported here. The goal is that you won't be able to do anything really. Just if you fall in the water, it's not a good idea. But if you fall in the water, so if you fall under a certain Y coordinate in the voting area, then you are eliminated. At the end of the minute that's going on, we'll count all the players that are still alive. And so let's imagine there's 5 players that voted for the lime game and 3 who voted for the blue game. And the lime game wins because more players were alive that voted for the lime game. Basically. And then I was also requested to add... let's not leak anything. I think I was requested to... What is it? To add power-ups. Yeah, there you go. Which I can't do yet because there's no lobby. but there will be that. So yeah, let's code that. Let me just move all of that away. You don't need to see all that. Whoop. Whoop. Okay. Okay, look. Boom, boom, boom. So here, this is where you check for voting. So else if game is voting. Oh, there we go. I'll loot all the players. If it's above that, if the Y coordinates of loop player is less than, let's say, what Y code is that? 66. If it's at like less than 63, let's say. If it's less than 63, then clear a loop player inventory. No, I don't care about the music. Maybe I should do that. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Inventory. And set to spec loop player. So set to spec is a custom function that I have here, where it adds a player, force them to fly, sets their head to 20 HP, heals and feed them. Then here I'm gonna loop all players. Remove from spec player. Let's you also unhide that and I'll set to spec event player here. So if you're not a player, then you go into the event player. You go into spec, sorry. Boo boo, where is it? Here. So we teleport to the arena here, right? Give one of unbreakable diamond shovel with efficiency 2552 loop player. Does that work? Nope, doesn't anymore. That's how you did it back in the day, so I guess I've changed. Right, let me steal the code from Sleeve, where I give a pickaxe to players. Here. Oh. I do it? Wait, what? Even breakable control? Oh. Okay. Also, I'm gonna do voting, because that triggers voting. I'll set to spec player, but here you should set game mode of loop player to adventure. Oh, it's empty. There we go. And now when I do voting, I'll be putting spec if I'm an admin. I mean, if I'm a spectator. Otherwise, I'll be here and not in spec. Also, what I'm doing is that I'm checking for if they have this block. If they have this block, then I'm checking for this block, which is very scuffed. This is a beta test anyway. So, yeah. Okay. So here, when voting is set to 0, I need to loop all players. If players list contains loop player, oh yeah, and just count votes then. Count votes here, and then all this can go in here. If here I should do that. Means the player and do that, and then set game mode of loop player to survival. And here set game mode of player to advent. Yeah. The voting. Oh, is it because it's low value? Yeah. There we go. I can just reload utils. There you go. Awesome. Okay, so that works. See, the problem is that if the game has already been voted, I can't set it to 0. I can't clear votes here. I can do loop votes if loop value is more than -1. Set vote loop value to 0. There you go. Because if can do if votes equal to -1, then game has been played. Okay. Now here should do else if game is post voting. Should say here just Calculating votes. For like 5 seconds. Is it like that? Oh, what? Am I dumb? Is that how you know how you do it? Hold on, hold on. Wait, can you now display an action bar for a system of time? Like you can with title? What? So weird. Whoa, okay, I didn't know that. That's weird. Okay. So here what I can do is I can get a game here. Mhm. Okay, even better. Objectively, right now, casting votes. As far as there's not gonna be any polls like I'm gonna double or triple the votes, I think. Let me double check. Because if so. Yeah, no. Okay. Then what I can do here is add 1 to votes red. Basically, I can cheat. Boom, boom, boom. Oh. Why is it? The light blue. Hold on. Let's do that then. Okay, cyan, light blue, blue, purple, and pink. Let's say there's all 10 of them. Then I should have a test somewhere hiding in a folder. Yeah, what is it? Might be in funny. It is. So in funny we've added get good, which and we've also added a 6, 7, and chicken filter, which means that if you say any of them, you will get kicked. And if it's me or Wub, which apparently didn't work because I didn't get prompted with downloading that, Maybe the link is there already. Who knows? Yeah, the link is already there. Awesome. Well, that lasted like what, 1 day? Of sending pieces back. Alright. Well, I tried, but CDN changed already. Wow. And here we have test. Okay. Set votes red to 0. Objective should be at like a start. Spleef doesn't work anymore, so we can remove Spleef. Smash also isn't a thing anymore, so we can... Alright, it's just if they played, so just a list of all the games. Yeah, because we also have a slash games, where you can list all the games that we have. So Spleef and Smash are currently out of the roster, as you can see. Here you can change the game icon, you can remove the game by clicking on it, and then you can add a game. And now we have a new game called FZ. There you go. I think it's pretty cool. Like if I do slash game Spleef, this game is not in the game roster. Oh yeah. Bang, you can play it. I will do command slash start. Permission should be star. Because GG that stuff. That starts. And then this would be bigger. Let's do that. Let's finish yellow, lime, green, cyan, light blue, blue, purple, and pink. There you go. Start shouldn't I do that? For dex value in votes, and you can do that now in script, and it's so much better. You can have a key of like index and values. Which I think is so much better. What? Oh, it's in test. There we go. Boom. Can I sold by index? I guess everybody is, right? Yeah. Okay. So now let's do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, then not salted, obviously. Count votes. Okay, that's what I thought. That vote to reversed sorted votes. Why did it double the entries? Can you do that? What does that do? Let's see. Wow. I think I should do, yeah. Clear votes. Oh, that actually worked. Thank they sorted. This is the best one. I do votes and then I do end votes sorted. I guess obviously these are not sorted. And so if I do with votes value votes. Holy shit, that works. Okay. Huge. Huge. Okay. So that works. So we've got a full voting system now. Awesome. I just need to never clear votes though, right now. Because like I'm not doing anything with votes, so yeah, awesome. And so if I change that to let's say 11, awesome, it works. It actually works. Okay, huge. So I just need to do that. If I say u to -1, and if I do that, ooh, wait. There you go. And I do need to clear votes again then. Okay. Set votes range to like 10. Alright. Well. Let's just green, blue, light blue, purple, pink. Perfect. Alright, well, there you go. And then we count the votes. We clear this. Do that. Yep. Alright. And we add one when they will get it. Yeah. And if they die, local function. If I just local function get team get vote from color chest plate item. If item is a leather chest plate, then
raw
broadcast color. What's the pink of item? So I can just do that. So when I cast here,
I just had to confirm my age to log into Minecraft.
oh shit. It's happening, it's now. They're doing it.
Minecraft now have a copy of my ID.
Ah, fuck. You should never give fake over your data. That sucks. That just sucks big time. Oh, I didn't trigger the function. Wait, no, it should have. Right?
YH, it's so stupid.
Is this goes this? Is it not? It's a stupid. Yeah, I know. How do you like this pink? All on. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. There you go. Now you get a pickaxe with a shovel with Shannon 255. Oh, you're not going to. Oh. Wait, what? Wait. What opened to survival? Hold on. Yeah, here. What? Wait, what? That's fucked up. Why doesn't it work? What the fuck? The game will have loop light survival. What? Wait, am I crazy? Wait. What?
I'ma cook dinner then I'm logging on to do building.
Yo, sick. Okay, hold on.
Before Wub kills me.
Hold on, look at this, look at this. Slash voting. Let me... This is what the other players will see. You don't see that, but the other players will see it. And so if I walk on the color, boom. You won't see that bit. You will only see the chest plates, but the other players might see that. That might be too much. I'm thinking if there's like 40 players, it might be too much. I'm thinking of just
Edge
not having
nice.
this. But I don't know. That's, yeah. And the chest plate. I don't know why it doesn't say
That
though.
looks cool.
Also, it looks weird for you right now because of delay. Of like desync with
My goat.
like how it works and all. But for the other players, it'll look like it's almost perfectly in sync. It depends on ping, I guess, but it'll almost look like it's on top of you. Wait. What the fuck did I do here? What? Oh. If timer is less than 0. Wait, that should be here, right? Yeah. Should be in pre-voting. Wait, no. Should be in every tick. What is this doing here? Should be in every tick. What am I doing? There we go. Should be here. Okay. What is it? What is the sweetener mode here? Clear inventory of the player's inventory. There you go. Do it here too, just in case. Yeah. Voting. Let's go for that. Yeah, that's all fine. I should hide the thing here. There you go. Let's see what that walk down. Right now, if I fall, I don't think anything happens. Yeah, nothing happens right now. If I okay, if I die, it should clear this. If it matches this. Exit one loop. Alright, start with that's not supposed to be loop entity. No, loop layer. Loop entity 2. What? It start with? What am I doing wrong? What? Oh. Can I do that? Oh, I can. Okay. Awesome. Ooh. This is wrong. You should be set to done. Let's try again. To be fair, this is a small platform. The real platform will be way bigger than this. There we go. If game is equal to pre-voting, then it should send. Not that. It should actually send voting starts. In this, and then this should say voting ends. And actually, because it's gonna be 60 seconds, I don't even need timer. Okay. Voting. Blue. If timer is less than 10. Wait. Color to um. Okay. Why is it clicking my inventory? Oh, because he counts votes. Really why? Let me check the console really quick. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Yep. That's it. That's voting. Boop. Right. D one. Like a 9 point survival. I need to make it that. Yeah, it doesn't drop. Yeah, like, oh my god, no, I'm gonna die. No. Um, I think I did something like that with Leaf again, because I mean, this is basically just glorified Leaf. That's why. Yeah, that's what I did. Die. Did I remove players from spectator mode though? I'm thinking no, actually. Don't remove until 1 second before game starts. There we go. Oh, I suck. There we go. Uh, I do check for a tie. First, let's do the on break. Cancel out in rooms. There we go. If game is voting, then you want to cancel item. Then what else? Oh, and pick up, I guess, yeah. And drop. On drop. Cancel event. Actually, if it's voting, yeah, but pre-voting, we're clearing inventory. Here. I do like get color of leather chest plate script. Because that's just for like dying an item. Who is emailing me at this time? Yeah, leave me alone. Wow. I should be unbreakable. Yeah, I didn't think of that. Unbreakable. There we go. Doo-doo-doo. Guess I can also do color to well, red, right? It'd be this. I want it to match the index. Why is it just saying yeah? I don't want it to say just yeah. Get the whole thing. You lazy? Yeah. And now we don't need that anymore because we got the color from this. Doo-doo-doo. White. Oh, I guess none. And when you die, well, when you die, it doesn't matter. When you die, you already move, so it's fine. Just wait. When do you die, really? When you fall. So here, remove one from both this, and then this is loop player. There we go. Okay. Voting. If I go to this, oh, I'm falling already. Yep. That's fine. And so I go in the console, which I'm not gonna show, obviously. Banana. Do I have a shovel? Let's see. Doesn't drop. Can't drop the item. This isn't break it. Yo, what? Um. This is not a cancelable event, by the way. And you on inventory. Click. Let's check first. So yeah, I do have one vote. Now let's do that again, and this time I'll fall. Let me just send it here. Alright. So that's the 0. Alright, inventory click. If event item is wait, if it's pre-voting, all voting. If it's a leather chest plate, then cancel events. Because I have to show myself. Yeah, there you go. Yes, and calculating votes. If I look here, I have minus 47 votes. Of course, because I'm, yeah. I see. Okay. That's fine. Let me quickly do that. If they differ than one. Just so that it fix itself. Hmm. If it should be loop. Yes, loop playlist. And that should be loop value. Value 1. Right. If chest plate of loop value is different than air, or is a leather chest plate. What if I do value 2? That should work, right? Yeah. Alright. That should still, by the way, clear. Oh. There we go. It's no break, I can not drop that. I cannot. There we go. Awesome. I can't drop that. I can't click anything on that. That's awesome. Boom, boom, boom. And so now, if I fall, you just say 0 once. And I'm obviously playing because I'm dead. And I shouldn't be able to go back here and grab all that because it's not the same thing at all. Awesome. Alright. And awesome. Yeah, there you go. It says blue, was it cyan? Or light blue, whatever. They're all at 0 anyway. Right, now I just need to do a tie detector. So... check... eyes. That... tie to... and then this local function that is check ties will return a boolean if tie is false. So it's not a tie. Not a tie. I can also do loop all players if loop player has permission have spec the votes. Else wait 5 seconds. You just wait 5 seconds. And then do that here. What am I doing? What am I doing? I need to look in. I'm actually locked the fuck out right now. Wow, okay. So if it's... wait 5 seconds here. Else. Send. Title. It's a tie. With subtitle. Between. Size of tied games.
Guess what?
Hey, buddy. Be careful. Be careful.
What?
Be careful. I got you, buddy. I got you.
Did you code something 'cause of me?
Yup. I did. So check tie. Should you return? Do first.
I
Clear.
gotta look back on the VOD after.
That was coded before the VOD started. You want me? I coded that before.
Also, I'm better at script than you.
That is just not true.
It is.
Sure. Sure.
I can code anything.
Yeah, me too. It's kind of bored of coding actually. uh, loop. No, for index value of vote. And now we just do like set biggest to be 0 if value is bigger than the biggest, then set biggest to value, and then clear side games add index to side.
Chicken butt.
That's what you get. There you go. 10 minutes, time out. There you go. Else, oh, actually, I could do. Okay, if it's bigger than biggest, then it becomes the biggest and clears that. And if it's bigger or equal, it does that. So either way, it adds it. If it's bigger, it just clears it and then add it. And that gives you the size of the tire. And title it one with the title. I don't need to go through all of them. I just realized I just need to get through because vote sorted is already the biggest. So it'll go from top to bottom. Index is 1. So I can already do biggest to vote sorted. No, I can do it's votes of votes sorted 1. Because that's like, for example, red, and then red would be 1. If value is less than biggest, then exit one loop. Else, do that to side games. Yeah. With there you go. Ooh. Oh, well, if Return true. Return false. There we go. To all players. Group player. Why am I dumb? Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Let's try that. Let's go in blue. Oh, I can still fly. Oops. There we go. Just keep going creative really quick. There we go. In survival. It's a break style. There we go. Awesome. Do, 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 do. Mm, 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 mm. 7, 6, 5.
Matrix said they are
4.
sorry for the chicken but joke.
Deserved. Deserved. Listen to him. It's a tie between 2. Ow. Oh, I know why. Because it's 2 of them. Right. If value not in boom. What? Oh, because it's doesn't contain value. There you go. He does it every time. That's what he gets. He has to pay the price at some point. By the way, I think those jokes are banned in the chat. In the in-game chat. I can just make my own bite. Like I can just make my own filter. So I just added Nobody will stop me. Do-do-do-do. Technically, you can break with your fist. Not recommended, but you can. There's nothing stopping you from doing so. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only one? Let's see. Orange one with 1 vote. Yes! Yes! Woo! My system fucking works. I'm a genius. Now let's try if I tie. I don't know how to do a triple neo. Gonna be so honest, I don't know. I do not know. Boop. I am dead. I wish like you died or something. Oh. Send title. You died. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-da. Let's see, should be a tie between all 10 of them. Should we say tie? It's a tie between 10 games. Yes! I'm the greatest developer of all time. Holy shit, I'm so good. Holy shit, I'm so good at this. Holy shit. Boom. Boom. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. So in that case, I should just stop trigger here so that not this. If it's a tie, I need to roll a random number. Set random to a random integer between 1 and the size of side games. That's chosen to side games random. Wait 5 seconds. And what color? What color? Purple. Where's the purple? I think so far. So let's try purple. No. Feel good. Feel good. I just wanna feel good. And I can feel good. Boom, you died. Maybe I could add like a better look next time. With a subtitle? There you go. Boop, boop, boom. Dum. But it's such a banger. Alright. Green one with 0 votes. Awesome. Okay. So obviously now they set to just colors. Like that. But then the goal is to have them... Where is it? Be... Local function... Color to game name. And it's... Color which is text. And it returns... Text. If... Color... is equal to red. Return... I have no idea on how the fuck we're gonna do that. Because... my plan was... See how there's like games, right? We have games here. I can't use that. I should just realize I can't use that. Oh, that sucks. Okay. I need to think how... Because I can't rename a game either, I think. I haven't added this functionality into thing. So... Well, I can do like I did with the teams, where I can like game settings. And like I can do change name, change icon. Right? Here, so. This is the whole menu. Local function. Open game settings menu GUI. For a player. And there's no page, so yeah. Basically, I need to copy what I did for the teams. Basically. When do I even... I never use that. Oh no, wait. Oh, no, I do here. I don't need that here. It'll cry because those don't exist. I can just make them open the menu. Oh, right. Oh, I guess. Red game. Right, slash games. Alright. Shit, what is it? Do do do. Ba ba la ba bow. Ba ba bow. Lao. Oop, that was French. Sorry, guys. Open. Game settings management UI for layer. Boop. Wrong name, but yeah. And that opens that, but they actually don't go back here. Okay, awesome. I can do slash team, slash teams. And show the functionality slash gem1. What icon represents a game? A list, that could be a chest, right? A list. No. Things can be a comparator, definitely. Game change game settings. Yep, alright. Nice. And it could be emerald block, redstone block. What the fuck do I use for a list? A hopper? No. A barrel? No. Do the chest, but like, I don't know. Where's it gone? Hello, Nina. Da, 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 da. The hopper rely on in here. I need change game name. Change game icon. What else do I need? Wait, game name, game icon. I feel like that's it. Na 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 na. Da 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 na 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 na. Yeah, I guess. Okay, that was still broken though. Why? Uh, da, da, da. Na, 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 na. I need to not do that. Hold on. You check. Oh, right. Team. Oh, look. What? Da, 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 dum. Oh, was his broken? Oh, maybe. Nikki? Red? None. There we go. That could have been it. Okay. Anyway. Local function open. Da, 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 da. The new name of the game. Uh, dum, 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 dum. Doesn't work because I'm not doing it correctly. Do, 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 do. Mm, 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 mm. Let me just take a screenshot right now of the games. There you go. Because I'm gonna have to clear the list. Na, 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 na. Set game size of game list. Name to message. Na, 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 na. What are the teams already? Teams on number. I guess the games on number. There we go. Around the world. Around the world. The world. Hold on. So, add 1 to number, then I set this to false, whatever, okay. Game index icon. Name. Eh, do 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 do. Okay. Game. This name is been changed to message. Blah, blah, blah. There we go. You can clear that here. Game icon, no game name. An open fire. In 167. The mistletoe. They exist. They're right here. What do you mean? It's right here. What? Oh, 143. Oh, here. Oh, that's not good. That's weird. Yeah, there's no games here. No games here because it's not fixed to the new system. I can check if the system works actually. If I do games, add, beep test. Mm. Oh, I didn't do. No. Also, because I cleared the list, there shouldn't be any games here anymore. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. So. Games. Number. Icon. Name. One. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, I know why. What's funny here? Okay. Okay. That shouldn't be null. Yeah, 0 games. Awesome. Yeah, my gun. So if I do chicken spawn egg. Wait, what? Oh. No. Wait. This one is name. And this one is like Okay, so if it's name, it's then you give them name. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, it didn't work. Beep test. Awesome. Yeah, this is broken because I need to change to fit this. Okay, this should be fixed now. We can do you. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-dun-dun-dun. Okay. If we are that, I don't care. Game index dot icon. Oh right. It's supposed to be game number. Line 55. All right. Do that one to do handle. Wait. Do still removing game properly. Awesome. We understand 1 0 no star. Awesome. Okay. So we fixed most of the stuff. I just need to measure remove a game. I click here. It doesn't actually remove it. There we go. Now it should just say the right name and then how many games are left. Okay. But yeah, it still didn't remove it. So what I need to do is from where I am, like the one I'm looking at, I clicked on. Go to the next one, if it exists, and set it to the current one. And do that recursively. Set the game index while game dot current game name is set. So while this is set, I need to -1 set to you. Same for the icon. And then add one to game. And at the end here, move one from games a number. Again and do beep test 2. If I remove it, then you should have beep test 2. It didn't. Because there's no dollar here. That's why. Now let me remove you too. The beep test 2. If I remove you, I'll beep test 2. Awesome. And never. Oh my god, yes! Okay, huge. Okay, now we just need to get back to the screenshot that's somewhere in my 20 billion screenshots I have. Let me see. It's one of them. Of the many that I own. They're all not in order. There you go. Okay. So. First one is beep testing was chicken spotting. There we go. The second one was sleep. It's a cyan bundle. The third one was Smash. And it was a knowledge book. The fourth one is Dash. What I've just realized. Where is it? Where's the icon thingy? Here. Right. There we go. It is a copper shovel. The next one is out of time. It is a cyan dye. Then the very last one we have so far is unlucky skies, which is an andesite slab. Okay. And then those two games I've not played. Okay. So we have that set up. Now uh now we fix the game, we can go back to the voting system. Now we can have the game names. Function get game from index. Index, which is just an int. And all I need to do is just to return game. Well, if game index dot name is set, return game this. Otherwise, return new game of this ID has been found. Okay. And so if I want for example, here loot games not number times if played game loop number is true, send get game from index loop number. There you go. Now we've got all 4 games in order. Now let's imagine we have a list. That's played games. I mean, there. There you go. Add to played games. Then we can set colors to red, orange, yellow, lime, green, cyan, light blue, blue, purple, and pink. for index value in played games. Send formatted colors index of value. Okay. Oh. That could be why. Why is it red like that? Hold on. Who the fuck is that? Why are they admin? Oh, yes, yeah. They shouldn't be admin, they should be staff. Slash the editor. Uh, hold on. Um, okay. And this. There you go. let's let's do that, and then should do it. Yeah, well. Alright. Anyway. We have games here. If I do test, I get the colors, and then they should appear here. Objectively, I mean, just because I like that, if I go in games and and re-enable Spleef and Smash, oh yeah, obviously gonna be disabled, but yeah. I don't know how they're gonna do the voting system. Like, I was just told to like come up with a voting system and make sure it works, which it does. I'm not. I wasn't told how it's gonna be like laid out and spun stuff, so that'll be a mystery. Yeah. Now I want to try. Let's see. What do I want to try? I want to try to make the game mode command work. Like the slash game command to probably work. So, what does it not know? Which is nobody, obviously. But I have here in start game. I have this, right? The goal is for the games to properly work as intended. So for beep tests, see beep test 1 here means that not beep test. See, it shouldn't be like this beep dot test shouldn't be a thing anymore. We shouldn't have to worry about beep dot test. And there will never be less than one player. And I should never clear that list, because that's the list of players. Playtest shouldn't exist anymore. There we go. It is not that, so we can get rid of that. Same for when it ends here. Well, here's the thing, there can be more than one. Game should always end when there's at least one player left. Else if... Here. Hmm. Go. There is a revive command, I'm just never gonna use it. Okay, that works. This thing is starting. There you go. They also add points when they finish. And did we? I don't think we give more points. I think we talked about it, and we don't give more points even if you finish first, I think. Um. Okay. Works. can't do that. I can't remove from that. We can't have a revivalist anymore. Yeah, no. We also can't do that. If you quit, no. If you join while it's beeped as you're getting teleported away. Beep dot players alive to size of this. There we go. Alright, okay. Okay. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. So now that we have all that, we can do do do. Wait here. Yeah. I can't do loop playlists. Ah, fuck me. Okay. I can do beep playlists. That's beep playlist to players list. And I play with this list instead. Like copy list. Copy. Copy out into wall. Copying a list. The source list and its sublists are also copied over. Okay. There you go. I play with that instead, I think. That's gonna be a Take a while, but it's fine. Okay. The winners to loop this. Oh wait. The winners to if maybe that'll work. I don't know. We'll see. Line 195. Oh, there we go. Line 200. Line 230. Here. Okay, awesome. Okay, so I got all of that. So we should have beeped this working, technically. Not sure. To do test the whole thing. So to do in here. Now, where's the to do here, right? Yeah. Utils. Oh. Okay, awesome. So, now that we're all of that, we are done with this one. Spliff is bench when not playing Spliff. Dash. We are playing Dash. Dash. Play. There's a test function in Dash, but the testing is literally empty. So I will be deleting that file. Don't mind that. This is subject to change. Don't mind that. Again, here with the same thing with the test, so we have to remove that part. Boom. They removed the like start in 5-second thingy. No, I didn't remove the wait 5 seconds. I think I should. Or loop 10 times. Yeah, 10 times. Wait 1 second. Send title beep s starts in with subtitle. Then minus the number, so 11 minus the number seconds. I could do that actually, even here. Okay. Loop U. Mm-mm. And just keep that. Oh. I already had that. Um. Hmm. Okay. So if I do that here, I feel like I should do for every game. So that's 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Yeah. Just do wait 1 second. This is the most horrible to do. This is not optimized at all, and you should never code like that. I'm doing it because I'm a professional, but you should never code like that. Wait 1 second. I believe this is 4. No, this is C. This is probably C. This is probably E. This is probably A. AE6C. AE6. I'm so fucking good. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. Holy shit, I'm so good. Wait 1 second. Oh. What do they do? Go. And this is just timer. Just swap head. The X. That's redo, okay. And this is you did it. Okay. It's just horrible way to detect condition. Ooh, line 225 in dash. Line 225. 20. Here, yep. And I probably need to do that. Yeah, that'll be better. Oh, I can't invite concrete. Yeah, it's the concrete. Okay. Awesome. Okay, that works. Let's see. Let's see. So we've done. This is done. This is done. Out of time isn't coded yet at all. The map isn't even finished. Oh, random. I can read them. Unlucky skies. I also need to do on tab completion of game. That I forgot what it is. Where's the question? Oh, give it. You have the question, right? to deep test dash out of time and unlucky skies. Awesome. Oh, where's the spaces here? There we go. Okay. So let's do unlucky skies. Unlucky skies, which is called randomizer but isn't a randomizer. Random test. Oop. Alright. We're not doing any tests. This set is not set to 1, else set to 82. Okay. So I can in fact just not say anything. Anyway. There is no test, so again, anything that's test related can go fuck off. Boom, and again, there will never be less than one player. Set to copy again. Where is it? There we go. And then we're just playing with teams. Okay, that was a little big. There's all the pillars, sadly. All the locations of pillars are like that. we were together. When you said you felt so happy you could die. Told myself that you were right for me. Suddenly you come. Certain come. Uh, so I will be like, it's like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, ceiling is 3. Add subtitle. And now I'm fucked because of this. Du, 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 du. Du, du, du. Du, 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 du. Na 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 na. Yeah. Somebody that you used to know. Oh, 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 oh. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. That I used to know. I used to know. Alright. It's passed as a player. Abraham like a pump of a drink to connect upon his 7 from under his hat. With a red that's until I took a bad out of a crime. Put in the entire track. And on his back. Gonna get steady. Back with the machete. Like any tripped in, yeah, just to come out his whip. This is starting 30 seconds early. Way too long. Zoo 15. But here I can just do wait 10 seconds. Versions. And only one will survive. I wonder who it will be. Chuck Norris. Seconds and another 5 here. That's also 15 seconds. Okay. Well, it's been a good 3 hours. We've worked most of the games. Da, 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 da. A century, but eventually, this is the ultimate showdown. Well, that was good. Good session. We almost moved everything actually. Is anyone in line that we can raid? Let's see. Luum. Luum seen doing a marathon. I'll raid them. Yeah, sure. Luum and C Dog are doing a subathon. Join subathon where they are trying to just go as fast as possible. Go say hi to them from me, and go support them if you want to. Thank you everybody for watching this stream. I will be back on Sunday earlier, 4 p.m. 4 p.m. CET, which is 3 p.m. BST, which is 9 a.m. EST, like that. No, 10 a.m. EST. It's basically like I think we're at 6 or 9 hours earlier than usual. I think it was 6 hours earlier than usual because I have an event. I have tournaments on Sunday, so yeah, probably no stream until then. But you never know. Anyway, thank you everybody so much for watching. I will see you on Sunday afternoon and night for tournaments. See you over there. Bye.